For Accelerating Access Community Stories Fellowship, we have selected Bhuj City as our case study. Our team will cover the unique story of the marginalized community living in Valmiki Nagar, Bhuj, Gujarat. A city where wash sector has been debilitated for a long period due to its geographical settings as well as various natural incidences. As the city is now represented as one of the examples for its interventions in wash sector, particularly in revival of groundwater availability with the combined efforts of citizens, NGOs and ULBs. In most of the cases, the broad demonstration of the impact has been brought up at the city level. Hence, there is potential to bring out a story where its impact on a particular urban community can be explored, where an inclusive approach has been observed to improve the water sanitation and hygiene. We have selected Valmiki Nagar community, who are facing lots of urban infrastructure issues from past years, and their community is always come together to be resilient. Bringing out the impact of these solutions on the community living in this area will not only be a representation of before and after approach, but will also help in capturing the socio-economic impact such interventions and help to understand various issues, problems which are eradicated or still prevailing for the community, which is ignored or unknown to the urban multitudes and authorities. To showcase our story, we will use 3 mediums: interactive web page with 3D models and real-time data from mobile app, video documentary in form of shorts and a portfolio, comic strips with QR code to access extra information. Our team will focus on creating a unified and coordinated communicating experience, ideally, where each medium makes its own unique contribution to the unfolding of the story.